I said to her, I'm only dealing with clients that are paying X amount per month. Initially, she was a bit shocked by this, and I was a bit like, I can't say it. Hi friends, welcome back to the video. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to talk about setting a price floor for your service-based business. This is only something that I've started to do towards the end of 2020. I found it really useful. A price floor is primarily for service-based businesses. So say you are a creative, photographer, videographer, you set a price floor for where you want your clients to come in. In the video, I'll go over the reasons why you would do this, why I think it'd be useful to you, also how to deal with setbacks if you do get any. A price floor is a minimum amount that you set for new clients that you have coming on. The way that this works is you work out how much you actually want to earn from a client. You'll probably underprice yourself if you're at the start of your business, and that's totally okay. Trust me, we all do it. But you want to have a floor that you say, I'm only dealing with clients that spend X amount per month, X amount per project, X amount per whatever. Firstly, you'll whittle out the clients that will try to underprice you, try to cut you up in terms of money, or they want more from your services. It just won't be worth your time, and it will cause you a lot of stress. This is one thing I didn't know when I started the business, is that clients that try to play on price, they will be the hardest client. Ask any creative, ask any entrepreneur, I bet you they will say the same. So you can do this by working out what it is that you want to make from your projects. Maybe you only want to take on certain kinds of projects, and you know that these clients will pay higher prices. Set a floor and be quite strict with it, because then you will start to get clients that will pay that price. It's quite hard to do initially, because the idea of getting money, the idea of you think you need to have more clients, and you think you need to do more work because more money is better. Whereas I would argue different, and I would say that having better quality clients will lead to longer term growth, longer term money, and less stress, trust me. The reason that you would set a price floor is so that you dwindle out all the clients that don't really work for you and they won't meet your needs. Because you've got to think of it as a relationship. It's a two-way relationship, you and the client. They've got to come together, they've got to gel together nicely. And I think if the client's trying to go, can you do this for then it just doesn't work. You'll find this in business. You will go through the pain of trying to deal with clients, and trust me, it hurts and it's hard, but it's all something that you have to go through. I had it recently where I had a new client who was a friend, someone I dealt with in the past with like previous businesses and stuff, and where she used to work. I said to her, I'm only dealing with clients that are paying X amount per month. Initially, she was a bit shocked by this, and I was a bit like, I can't say it. But then I think by setting the boundaries and being really being really like honest and just putting it out there, I think that then gains respect, in the sense that you're valuing what you do, you're valuing what you can do for the client. They will either like this and go with it, or they will think you're up yourself and you're not worth it. But then those aren't the clients that you want. Trust me, they are not the clients that you want. And yeah, it worked in the sense of sent the proposal. I said, this is the minimum price floor. Another reason that you would do it is the sense that you don't want to waste your time creating a proposal, sending the prices, dealing with all that for them to go, it's too expensive. So if you've got a price floor and you say, my minimum price is X, then they've already got it in their head, and they've already mentally prepared themselves to see a price that is at least the amount of money that you have said. And then when they get the proposal, they're not going to go, that's so expensive, because they haven't got a preconceived idea of what they think the thing should be worth. You might get some setbacks. Business is full of setbacks. Business is just full of problems that you have to overcome to get to the next stage. Business, if you don't like it, please don't do it, because there's a lot of problems that you will have to get over. But I think this is one way that you can sort of change it, in a sense that you can control the downside of the problems that you get of people thinking you're too expensive and stuff like that, because you're not going to waste time on clients that think you are too expensive, because you've already told them how much you are going to charge. Please let me know if you want any videos where I talk about this sort of thing, because I feel like I'm rambling, but I do think there's some points in there that I think will be useful to some people. So yeah, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching. If you could go and check out this video up here where I talk about Gymshark and the new creative space that I think most businesses need, go and check it out. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and if you could subscribe, that would mean so much. Goodbye.